What's the meaning of blaspheme? Blaspheme. Blaspheme.
Blaspheme. Blaspheme. The term blaspheme typically refers to speaking or behaving in a way that shows disrespect or contempt for God or something considered sacred. Those who engage in blasphemy may be deliberately insulting or mocking, or they may simply be expressing an opinion that others find offensive or sacrilegious. In some religious traditions, blasphemy is considered a serious offense that can lead to excommunication or other forms of punishment. However, in many secular societies, freedom of expression protects the right to engage in speech or behavior that others might consider blasphemous. Ultimately, the meaning of blasphemy depends on one's cultural, religious, and ethical beliefs.